a grouping of concerned citizens from all parts of Goa who have come together to understand and to put forward some demands that we have with regard to our rivers of Goa being turned into national waterways. Before we go forward, just to give a little background, most of us, I'm sure, are all Goans here. With regard to the rivers, it is very important to understand that these rivers have been protected, developed, preserved for centuries by our ancestors. The rivers, first and foremost, belong to the people. The government is a custodian, but it cannot take decisions arbitrarily. We have to keep that in mind. There are lakhs and lakhs of Goans who live on the banks of the rivers. They earn their livelihood from the rivers as well as on the sides through our Khazan lands, paddy fields. This issue affects not just a few of us who are here and who have come forward, but it affects lakhs of Goans. And before any decision that has to be taken by the government, there has to be a lot of thought that has to go into it. A few legal aspects when it comes to this issue. Being from the legal fraternity, I'm more inclined towards that. My colleagues will explain in detail the socio-economic effects. But let me touch upon the legal aspects. The Inland Water Authority of India Act 1985 is the act which finally gives power to the authority, the Inland Waterways Authority. Now, some of these powers that have been given to it, I'll just highlight a few things and I'll let you imagine what could be the results of it. Section 14B, first and foremost, allows this authority to develop infrastructural facilities such as docks, wharves, jetties, landing stages, locks, buoys, inland ports, cargo handling equipment, road and rail access, and cargo storage spaces. If we move to section 14E, it empowers the authority to remove or alter any obstruction or impediment in the national waterways and the appurtenant land. Now, important to note here is the obstruction that they're talking about could also be lawfully there or could have become lawful by over a period of time. But the authority has the power to remove them.